Eric wants to know why the school zone was going on Decatur and Desert Inn. So I told them maybe it's the band Tart singing Feliz Navidad, I'm a big bird. Feliz Navidad, I'm a big bird. Feliz Navidad, I'm a big bird. And happy times too. But see, I don't have to go to daycare. And I don't have to go to daycare, so maybe I'll go see the Feliz Navidad Big Bird production. And I'm not gonna bowl because it's dangerous. And
talking is dangerous.
No, it's not. I can talk and not hurt myself. I just have hiccups. And what else? Oh, I have to get oatmeal and apple pies. And but yeah, that's why I recorded this, because he's saying Feliz Navidad. You see the big bird across the street. Feliz Navidad. That's why the middle school. See, I got hiccups. That's why the middle school is putting on a production of Feliz Navidad Big Bird. So go see it. It's very, very good. As you know, I usually am the Big Bird, but they had to have someone fill in for me since I went to get my tooth fixed. And I got my tooth fixed. And it's very, very sparkly and very pretty. And I don't have to go back till the first of the year on a Thursday. And yeah. But yeah, Feliz Navidad Big Bird. Pick it up at your nearest Walmart. Thank you. Peace out.